All right, so let's use Kepler's laws to solve what the radius of a geostationary orbit is, right? So a geostationary orbit is just something that has a period equal to 1 day, right? Literally, it should be a sidereal day, 23 hours, 56 minutes, 4 seconds. But yeah, let's just do a rough calculation here, right? So we've got these two objects, right? Radius 1 is the radius of so here's Earth, right? Here's the moon out here orbiting, right? Geostationary orbit's much closer, right? Okay, so the moon is, we'll say the moon is object number 2, right? So we're going to go radius of the moon to the third over period of the moon. Whoops. Radius of the moon, period of the moon, right? Squared is going to equal the radius of the satellite over to the third, right? Over the period of the satellite squared. So let's just set this guy up here. The moon is 3.8 E8. That's its radius of orbit, right? Raise that to the third, divide by 27.4 squared. That equals the radius we're trying to figure out, right? The radius of the satellite to the third over 1 day squared, right? So now we're all set. We're all set here. So 3.8 E8 raised to the third divided by 27.4. Whoops. Okay, to the third. Right arrow divided by 27.4 raised to the second. All right. Now I'm going to multiply by 1 squared, so times 1 squared. There we go. And I'm going to have r to the third, right? And then to find what r is, I take the cube root of that, so raise it to the 1 divided by 3. And I get that r, the satellite, is roughly 4.2 times 10 to the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Which is really far out there, right? A geostationary orbit is, let's divide by the radius of the Earth. So divide by 6.38 times 10 to the 6th. It's about 6.6 Earth radiuses, right? So here's the radius of Earth, right? You go out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.6, right? You're like way the heck out there, right? Pretty far away. Anyway, there you go. So you just set it up. You set up, this is the moon, its radius to the third over its period squared, and then the satellite. How do you spell satellite? Or is it S-A-T-T? I think it's this one. All right.